Hello and welcome to HD Calcs. I'm Rick, and in this video we're going to have a look at how we can turn on, off, and reset the TI-34 Multiview Texas Instruments calculator. To do that, we'll be using the second function key that looks like this, located here, the on-off key that looks like this, located here, the 0 key with the second function of reset that looks like this, located here, and the clear key that looks like this, located here. Getting started, if our calculator is off and we want to turn it on and start working, all we have to do is press the on key at the bottom left here. Press that, our cursor appears, and we can start working. If we're done working with our calculator and want to turn it off, to do that, we go second function and then the on key using the second function, which is off. So we hit that, our calculator turns off, and we don't have to worry about it. What about resetting our calculator? Let's say we're doing some calculations and we get a result that we don't expect or don't want. So if we're doing 100 times 7, and we get a result that looks like this, it looks like we've accidentally changed some settings in our calculator, in this case, scientific notation, giving us results that we aren't expecting and don't want. So to go back to normal mode or get the normal results, what we do is press second function and then the 0 key with the second function of reset. It'll bring up this menu here asking us yes or no. It starts off at no in case we accidentally press that. But if we do actually want to reset it, we scroll down to yes and hit enter. It'll display that memory cleared screen. And now if we hit clear and do the same calculation, 7 times 100, we see we get our normal result, which is 700. There is one more way to reset our calculator, and to do that, we need to press the on and clear keys at the same time and hold them down. Press and hold, our screen will go blank, release, and again, we get that memory cleared screen. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really hope this has been helpful. If it has, you can help me out by hitting that like button and subscribe for more calculator tips in the future. And, as always, good luck on those tests out there, everybody. You've got this.